there's two magic factors in people's success. Okay, Josh? Consistency and themselves. No matter where you go, right? This, for me, is following me anywhere and everywhere I go. Doesn't matter. I'm the only constant in the land of the variables. So if you want to be great, you got to be consistent and you got to really realize that you are the magic factor. So that's kind of my journey from upbringing, being raised by a single father. My older brother, Jonathan Ogden, was the Ravens' first draft pick ever in 1996. He is their first Hall of Famer ever. And we learned from our father at a young age, we are going to have to be the ones that do the work. And that's how we were raised. And that's what I also learned, compound effect, from the National Football League.